Good morning class. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to start exercise 11B. We have done 11A, 11B and 11C. We have to start 11D. This exercise consists of statement, all questions in the form of statement. We start from basic level and the statement first I read statement, and the statement is first question: a point A, this is the diagram. A point A on a ground level, A point is in ground level. Got it? A point A on a ground level is 34 meter. This is 34 meter. A point is a distance of 34 meter away from a point B, from point B. Got it? And A point is a 34 meter away from point B, and at point B there is Christmas tree. This is called TB. Got it? Given that 80 makes an angle of 32, this is 80. A and T make an angle of 32 degree. This is the height of tree, and the height of tree at this point A, ground level, make an angle of 32 degree. Okay, with horizontal, and this line is called horizontal because this line is on ground level. That's why this is called horizontal line. Find the height of Christmas tree. We find the value of TB. Got it? Now this is angle 90. The opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse, and this is angle. The opposite side of angle is called opposite, and this one is called adjacent. Here we have required adjacent, and we find the value of opposites. We can't need hypotenuse. It's mean we put the formula of tan. Tan equal to opposite divide adjacent. Got it? Okay, come on, solution. Exercise 11D, question number 1. Given data. First I write given data. AB is adjacent equal to AB. The value of AB is 34 meter. Got it? And opposite equal to TB, and the value is, we find the value of opposite, and angle is given, this is 32 degree. Here opposite and adjacent are given, so that we put the formula of tan equal to opposite divide adjacent. We put the value of angle is 32, that's why we write tan 32. Got it? Okay, now we put the values. Tan 32 equal to, what is the value of opposite? TB. There is no value, we find the value of TB, and adjacent equal to 34 meter. Now find out tan 32 degree, then we get 0.624. Divide TB equal to TB, divide 34. This one is divide. When we convert into the other side, it will be multiply. Got it? This is very simple and easy. Multiply by 34, then we get answer of TB is 21.24. This is the value of this height TB. The height of TB is 21.24. It means the height of tree, Christmas tree, is 21.24 meter. Got it? Now you come on next. Next question is also same. We use trigonometric ratio in question 2. Question 2 is the height of a vertical post PQ. Where is PQ? This one is PQ. This is vertical post, and the height is 7.7 meter. This is here. Given that A is a point on ground level, this one, A is the point of ground level, such that AP, where is AP? This one, A and P, make an angle of 27 degree. There is 27 degree angle. Got it? With horizontal, this line is called horizontal because this line is on ground level. That's why this is horizontal line. Find the distance of AQ. We find the distance of AQ. This is 90 degree angle. The opposite side of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. This is angle. The opposite side of angle is called opposite, and this is adjacent. Got it? Okay, now opposite is given. We find the value of AQ. This one, we find the value of AQ. Okay, first we write given data, adjacent, PQ equal to opposite, and opposite equal to 7.7. Question number 2, given data, PQ. This one is opposite and value is 7.7 meter. We find the value of adjacent AQ. Adjacent, find out AQ. We find out this value, and angle is also given. Angle is 27. Similarly, previous question, adjacent and opposite are given. In this question number 2, here opposite and adjacent are given, so that we put the formula of tan. Angle is 27 degree, opposite divide adjacent. Tan, we find the value of tan. First we put the value of this one, opposite, 7.7, and adjacent, we find the value for adjacent, and this is AQ. Okay, now tan 27 equal to 0.509 equal to 7.7 divide AQ. This, when we shift here AQ and we shift 0.509 is here, AQ equal to 7.7 divide 0.509. Now we divide it, then we get answer 7.7 divide 0.509. Then the answer is 15.127. This is the length of AQ. 15.127 meter is the length of AQ. This one, the length of AQ, the length of ground level is 15.127. Got it? Now you come on next question. Next, we also apply trigonometric ratio in next question. There is also diagram. We follow this diagram and solve out this question. And the question is, Exxon stands at point is flying a kite. This one, got it? This one is kite, and he flying the kite at point K. The kite is vertically above A. This line is called vertically, and this line is called horizontally. That's why this is called horizontal and this is called vertical. Okay, a kite is vertically above A. This point is A and kite is vertically above A. Got it? A kite जो है A point के above है, ऊपर है, vertically है. Got it? Okay, next one is a string BK will string this one B and K. A string BK of the length is 120 meter. Okay, the kite at the height of 120 meter. Okay, attached to a kite, make an angle of 53 degree to the horizontal. This one, make an angle of 653 degree. He makes an angle of 53 degree at point B. Assume the string is short. Find the distance AB. We find the distance of A and B. It's mean this is 90 degree angle, and this point is called hypotenuse. This side is called hypotenuse. This is angle. The opposite side of angle is called opposite, and this one is adjacent. We find the length of AB. Here we find the length of AB. It's mean we have hypotenuse and adjacent. We have hypotenuse and adjacent. First I write question number 3. Given data. Okay, the value of hypotenuse is BK. Hypotenuse, this is BK, and this is equal to 120 meter. We find the adjacent AB. We found adjacent AB and we find it, and the angle is also given 53 degree. Angle is 53 degree. Now here the value of adjacent and hypotenuse are given, so that we put the ratio of cos equal to adjacent divide hypotenuse, and the angle is 53 degree. That's why we put 53 degree. Got it? Cos 53 degree. What is the value of adjacent? We find the value of adjacent. This is AB. And what is the value of hypotenuse? 120. Okay, find out the value of cos 53 degree. Then we get 0.6018 equal to AB divide 120. 120 is divided with AB. When we convert into the other side, it will be multiply. Got it? Multiply by 120, then we get answer of AB equal to 72.21 meter. Its mean AB distance is 72 point, this one 72.21. We find the distance of AB. Got it? We have done 3 questions of exercise 11D, question number 1, 2 and 3. I hope so you will understand easily. Note down these questions and share me till 4 o'clock. If you have any query, inbox me. Thank you.